Have you ever wondered why the moon orbits around the Earth in such perfect synchronization? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? The universe is a grand dance hall, with each celestial body swaying to the rhythm of synchronization. It's a concept that's so deeply ingrained in our world that we often overlook it. It's in the rhythm of your heartbeat, the flow of the tides, and yes, even in the moon's faithful orbit. To understand this, we need to delve into the fascinating world of synchronization. Imagine a school of fish swimming in the ocean, moving together in perfect harmony. This is a classic example of synchronization, a phenomenon that pervades our everyday lives. Take, for instance, a flock of birds sweeping across the sky. Each bird instinctively adjusts its flight to match the others, creating a mesmerizing aerial ballet. This is not just for show, though. By flying together, they conserve energy, with each bird benefiting from the updraft created by the one in front. When we humans gather at a concert, we naturally synchronize our clapping to the rhythm of the music. It's not something we consciously think about, it just happens. This shared rhythm creates a sense of unity and connection, amplifying the joy of the moment. But this dance of synchronization is not limited to living beings. Consider pendulum clocks hanging on a wall. Given enough time, they will eventually swing in unison. This is due to the tiny exchanges of energy that occur when their pendulums bump against the wall, subtly adjusting their rhythms until they align. From the smallest atomic particles to the vast celestial bodies, synchronization is a fundamental principle of our universe. It's a subtle, everyday magic that we often take for granted, yet it's integral to the rhythm and harmony of life. So, synchronization is not just a concept, it's a phenomenon that keeps our world in order. Delving further into our exploration of synchronization, let's dissect how it truly functions. Picture the magnificent ballet of the cosmos. Synchronization is the art of precision and collaboration. Similar to the well-choreographed movements of a ballet performance, each player must be aware of their timing, position, and interaction with the rest. This symphony of actions is not a lone figure skating on ice, but a unified endeavor that necessitates dialogue, a mutual dialect grasped by all engaged parties. However, synchronization does not come without a price. A certain level of energy is integral to it. Visualize it as a maestro, ceaselessly steering a symphony, ensuring each musical component strikes the accurate chord at the apt moment. It's a fragile equilibrium, an exchange of energy that maintains the pulse in an unbroken stream. The next time you witness a swarm of birds gliding in flawless unison, bear in mind, it's not merely an aesthetic spectacle, but the magic of synchronization in action. This elaborate performance of nature bears witness to the enigmatic and enthralling discipline of synchronization.